Hello guys, my name is Engineer Holiday. We want to solve this problem on geometry. And this one says if E, C, and D are on the same line, so then PH is equal to that. That means we have three circles here. We have one, or let's say four. We have three semicircles, one, two, and the bigger semicircle. Then we have a full circle. So now we check this C, E, and D are on the same line. So I can construct a line to touch here like this. So this line touch this particular one. Then that means that this particular place, EC, C is the center of this bigger circle. So here is also 3 centimeters from here to this point. Also, follow me. This one is this and this are the same semicircle. Why did I say so? Because they have the same diameter. So they don't need to tell me from here, this center of this bigger semicircle. So from here to this place is the diameter of this circle. And from here to this place is the diameter of this circle, of this semicircle. And if this one is the center, because this is the center of the bigger semicircle now which we're not given the radius. But we know that if from here to here is R radius, and from here to this place is R, that means H to D is R, H to P is R. So therefore, from here to this place will now be from P to D is 2R. Now, that means D to what? P is 2R. Then from D to what? F is also what? 2R. So in that case now, let me construct a line from here to this place. So if I construct a line, don't forget this is a what? A right angle triangle. So you will be seeing a triangle like this. A right angle triangle of this picture. If you construct it, that's what I want to have. Sorry, this is what I want to have. I make my rough sketch. So this is right angle. Now this one now that we have drawn, let me label it. This one is C, this is D, this is H. So from H to D is R. I enlarge diagram. Then don't forget that there is a line that this place now from C to D, from E to D is let's say from here to this place is 3. Then from here to this place is what? CD. Now from here to this place is R, as I say. Then from here to this place is the radius of this full small circle, and this one, this particular one. So from here to this place is also radius. Let's say big radius. Let me use big R. Big R. Then this one is big. From here to this place is big. This is 2R. From here to this place is big R. Then from here to this place small r, which is 3 centimeters. So I want to have what? R plus what? 3 centimeters. That is to say that the since they intersect at this point, they touch externally. The radius from here, from C to the external point of this circle is what? 3 centimeters. Then from here to this place is what? Bigger R. So everything here from H to C is now what? R plus 3. Now let's change this one back to bigger R. Now I want to check whether my mic is working. Sorry. Now look at it. Now this one now is what? From here to here is R, from here to here is 3. So everything here is what? R plus 3. So now CD can be calculated by using Pythagoras theorem, and that means that the CD square is equal to what? Plus r square is equal to what? R plus 3 all square. Now, don't forget that I will get our r from H to D is radius of this semicircle. Then this place is also what? R, 2r. From here to here is r. Everything here is 2r diameter. Diameter is what? Radius multiplied by 2. So we want to calculate our CD. So CD will now be what? CD square plus what? R square equal to, if you open bracket of this, we are going to have r square plus 6r plus what? 9. Please, as you are watching this video, as if you are enjoying it, please click the notification button, subscribe to the channel, and God bless you. Thank you. Now, we have what? This as our expansion. Now, let's make CD the subject of formula. So I want to have what? CD square is equals to what? R square plus 6r plus 9 minus r square. How do we get that? Subtract minus r square on both sides. So we're going to have this, we eliminate this. So we have CD square is equal to what? 6r plus 9. Now let's go this one. Now recall that means that we can say CD is equal to square root of, let's take 6r plus 9. Now leave that first. Recall that what? From E to D is actually what? E to D, ED is equal to what? EC plus what? CD. E to D is what? And that is the radius of what? That's the diameter of this semicircle. So from the look of thing, ED is equal to what? ED equal to what? 2R is equal to what? EC is what? 3 centimeter plus CD. So if you make CD the subject of formula, CD becomes what? Take this one here, I would have 2R plus 3. Take note of this also. If you make what do you call it? CD the subject of formula, we are going to have this as what? CD equal to 2R plus 3. That is to say, or 2R minus 3, sorry, is minus 3. Because if you bring it here, you have minus. Thank you. Now, having gotten that, now we have our CD to be this, we have CD to be this. In mathematics, it is permitted that you equate the two of them. They have that means that if CD could be equal to this value, and CD could be equal to square root of 6r plus 9, it therefore means that we could equate them and solve our r. So, and anything we get for r is actually equal to pH from here to this place. Now, permit me to claim this now because we are looking for P. So, okay, let me solve it here. So, I want to have what? Square root of 2r, 6r plus 9 equal to what? 2r, okay, it's working, minus 3. So, square both sides, we are going to have what? If you square both sides, we are going to have 6r plus 9 equal to 2r minus 3 all square. So what do we do now? We actually what? Open up this bracket. If you open it, we are going to have 4r square minus 2r times what? 3 times 2, you are going to have what? 12r plus 9. Okay? Is equals to what? 6r plus what? 9. So if you collect like terms, take everything to the other side. Move this to cross the equal sign. Or subtract what? 6r plus 9 minus 6r plus minus 9 on both sides. So I would have 4r squared minus 12r minus 6r minus 9. Sorry, let me put the plus 9 minus 6r minus 9. So what I want to have now is that this will cancel this, cancel this. That means this r minus 6 are 0, 9 minus 9 is 0. So what we are left with now is that this one will cancel, plus 9 will cancel minus 9. So what we are left here is 0 equal to 4r squared minus 12r minus 6r was minus 18r. So having done that, now what we are going to do now, simply what is to what? Let me clean this. So this one will now be what? 4r squared minus 8r equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. What is common on both sides? I can pick out 2. 2 is common. Yeah. So 2r is common. Remaining what? 4r squared divided by what? 2r. 4r squared divided by 2r. We have 2r. Okay. Then 8r divided by 2r, we have minus 9 equal to 0. So I will have 2r minus 9 2r minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, r equals to what? 9 over 2, which is equals to what? 4.5 cm. So that is what? For pH. Therefore, our pH, which is equal to r, equal to 4.5 cm. Or we can equate 2r equal to 0. This one equal to 0. That's what we mean. So r equal to 0. But we know r can never be what? Cannot be what? Be 0. R cannot be 0. Therefore, our final answer, pH equal to 4.5 cm. So that is the final answer. I believe you enjoyed the class. Please ensure you click the notification button and subscribe to this channel to get more information. Those of you that was watching this man for the first time, thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you. God bless.